Have you ever felt overwhelmed when determining the best product to meet your installation's chemical feed requirements? We understand that deciding on the best solution for your unique application can be daunting. That's why our blue-white team developed Blue Coral. Blue Coral simplifies the selection process and helps ensure you get the right product for the job. Blue Coral is a product configuration tool that allows you to input an application's operating parameters, including specific chemical compatibility requirements, so you're assured of finding the best product solution. This user-friendly platform can be accessed on bluewhite.com. Using Blue Coral takes the guesswork out of product specification, simplifying your job and helping ensure success. Don't wait. Check out Blue Coral today. At Blue White, we are simplifying chemical feed and fluid measurement through innovation. For more information, please visit us at blue-white.com.